Vegetable. Mine is here. Good evening. Ngayon pala ako mag-vlog. Mag-alas 6 na ng hapon. Papunta kami ngayon sa theater kung saan may concert yung mga bata. Dance concert.
Mom,
And
you know,
yes,
I bring phones and cameras in.
bawal daw magdala ng camera, guys. So,
And phones.
in phones? I don't think so.
What? Go on. No, not like microphones. No, not
Phone? Okay lang siguro ang phone.
Do
Okay.
you know like these phones like a moon?
What?
Do you like the moon phones?
What the moon phone?
Like that and the like. It's meaning say no food allowed in.
No food allow? Madala pa naman akong ano. Yung binili ko kahapon sa
What you gonna eat,
Parafield na
darling?
ano,
Nuggets?
yung salt and vinegar na cracklings.
Baba? No, you can't bring them in.
No?
No food.
Oh my God, bawal ang food.
to eat it, you have to eat it outside.
Lalabas pa pala ako para kainin to. And then, what time is your
At 6:30.
6:30.
No,
So,
we don't start. We start at 7. It's where the near Target.
Yeah.
okay. So, punta muna kami ng Hungry Jack's para kumuha ng dinner. Then, yeah, diretso na kami sa theater. And then, yun nga, sabi ni Zach, bawal daw magdala ng camera and bawal din ako magdala ng food.
On the bus, we nearly
Baba, say hi, Baba!
keep stopping.
Nabago siya kakasayaw and dance kanina. Baby, best friend.
They're already staying
Say
there,
hi.
sorry.
Huh?
Hi, Baba.
Wait, no, no.
Baba, say hi.
Hi.
Where you going?
Bring her.
Where you going,
I
Baba?
wanna eat over there.
Yan yung costume nila, oh. Si Zach naka-red, si Kuya naka... What color is that? Yellow, orange?
Furrow.
Furrow. Kasi dapat bright daw kay Kuya. Eh, bright naman yung kay Zach.
wearing the t-shirt I'm wearing under because it's white and red. I'm just going to jump.
And nasa harapan namin is sila Sophie kasi isang school lang sila so mag-perform din sila Sophie tsaka si Kobe yung kapatid niyang lalaki. So nasa harapan sila. And malapit na kami sa Hungry Jack's.
I hate Angry Jacks.
Oh, si Zach.
Wait, Dad, I'm
Ayun
having
niya
nuggets
yung-
and chips. Actually,
What you gonna have, Han?
he's gonna go for a bacon deluxe. Bacon deluxe.
Ayan, Hungry Jack's. Ayan.
Dad.
And ayan sila Sophie. Oops, ayan yung car nila.
Dad. You're gonna have a
Go, Esme.
Huh? Dad, are you having a bacon deluxe?
Ayun.
my lollipops.
You're
No,
not eating your lollipop.
You're gonna have dinner first, Holly. Okay.
I need my lollipops too.
Are we gonna eat inside, ha?
Yeah.
Ay, sa loob pala kayo kakain.
Don't talk next.
Ayan na sila. Oh. Hi, So. Say hi. Wow, you look so pretty. Blue kasi sila sa blue or red. Blue or red. Si Zach blue and red and gray. Ang ganda ni Sophie, oh. Parang ikaw din mag-ano ka ha, magpe-perform Holly, naka bright yellow ka. Hi, Kobe. So you're wearing just gray and blue?
No, I'm just
Black. Black, okay. Are you excited?
not really.
No, same as TJ. Gusto nilang i-skip tong itong performance na to. Gusto nila mag-absent. How about that one, Zach? The bacon and chips. Ayaw ni Zach kumain kasi ayaw niya talaga ng ano. That one, wait. No, not burger. Just chips with bacon. Where is it? I saw it before. Meron silang bacon tsaka chips. Nasaan na yun? Tingnan natin. Come on. See? Bacon and chips on top. See that? No, you want that one? Huh? Okay. What's that? What's that, sir?
Are you gonna get back?
Yes, I am. Ito na yung order namin. Honey, you bring this one. I'll bring this one. Wait. Dito kayo, kids. Ha? No, no, no. This is mine. This one is yours, Sak. Ito yung kay Sak, yung cheesy bacon chips. Here, Baba. Oh. Ayan. And who's that one? This is Holly.
Oh,
Holly.
big
Yeah.
load here.
Yeah, Holly nuggets and chips. That's yours, Baba. And this is yours, honey. Han, where's mine? Where's the wrap? Bacon wrap. No, not yet. Eat first. Eat first. Straw here, Baba. Oh, wait. Kain muna kami, guys. Kain. And si Kuya Ando. What are you having? Nuggets and chips. Ayan, tapos na kami. Pero si Sak, hindi niya kinain yung kanyang cheesy bacon chips. Siguro kumuha lang siyang tatlo and then that's it ang kinain niya. Ayaw niya talaga ng McDonald's or Hungry Jacks. Ayan. Sayang. Busog na kasi ako, hindi ko na kaya. Papunta na kami sa theater para sa music concert ng mga bata. Music concert. Si Sak walang kinain, konti lang. How many chips you had, Sak? 3? How many chips you had? And then 2 bites of my grilled chicken burger.
We're going to the theatre now, sweetie.
Paano yan?
Go out your side.
Oh, honey.
Holly.
Oh. Dito na kami and hindi ko kayo maisasama.
camera in the car.
Yes, I am. Di ba? Lagi
And
nila
you have
akong...
to bring a phone. You know that video we should find.
Ang daming warning ng mga bata sa akin. So, see you later na lang pagkatapos, guys. Bye! Yung ingay nila. Oh. Oy!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And tapos na yung dance concert ng mga bata. Sabay ko na lang kayo kakausapin kasi si Sak gutom. Gusto niyang kumain ng ano to, yung salt and vinegar na crackling. Bahay na kami and si Sak sobrang gutom kasi di ba hindi niya naman kinain yung in-order niya sa sa Hungry Jacks. And where's my vinegar? Can you get that one? Nakalahati ni Sak yung yung cracklings na salt and vinegar. And si Kuya hindi niya kaya kasi maanghang pala to. Akin na nga, Kuya. Is it spicy?
She's not turning one. She has to
Hindi naman to maanghang. Spicy. No, hindi siya spicy. Pero maanghang para sa kanila. Ayan. Yes? Yeah. Kuya, come here. Come here, Baba.
and over.
What do you think of your dance? Come here. Alam nyo, ang sarap sana sigurong i-vlog yung kasi nakakatuwa. Kaso bawal talaga. Merong pinagsabihan doon na magulang kasi ginamit niya yung patagubay yung yung cellphone. Nakita siya as in very strict sila sa sa pagkuha na kahit picture bawal tsaka lalo ng video. So hindi to. Si Sak nasa unahan pa naman, then yung si Kuya na nag-perform nasa pinakalikod si Kuya kasi ayaw niya talagang mag-perform. Gusto niya ngang i-skip yung kaya sabi ng teacher, doon na lang siya sa likod. So sa likod siya linagay. Pero ang galing. Hindi namin nakita ni Jan na nag-practice sila dito sa bahay kasi ayaw nilang ipakita sa amin kung ano yung steps. Kaya nung nandun na sila sa stage, gulat na gulat kami ni Jan. Right, honey? After dancing. Huh? Yeah.
What is it?
Well, what's going on? It's not your bag, Baba. Nag-aagawan sila ng...
My
yours is pink one. Remember, you have pink snake?
Where'd you put it?
Where did you put it, Holly?
That's mine on the table there.
Kaysa kasi blue sa kanya pink. So, yun na guys, maliit. Maiksi lang tong vlog, pero nag-enjoy kami sa performance ng mga bata. Natapos is 8:30, mga 1 hour nap yung yung program nila. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Say, see you na, Baba.
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Good night. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Holly, nandun si Holly kay daddy niya. Bye. Bye, sa.
Bye.
Busy na sila kumain ng lolly dito, oh. Yung kahapon na nakuha nila sa birthday ni Aliyah. Bye.